Hello guys, here we have a Nokia C21 Plus, and today I will show you how you can turn off location tracking from every app what you have installed. So we start from the opening the settings, and now look for the apps. Apps and notifications, sorry, and now click here to see all apps. Now choose your apps what you want to disable tracking. I will choose the Google Chrome, open it and just click on the permissions. Here you can see Google Chrome have a location permission on my phone, so I can turn it off here by clicking on allow and on allow anyway. Now the Google Chrome can't track my location and everything else. Thank you for the watching and goodbye.